The Latin name for the tiger is Panthera tigris. Royal Bengal tigers are the largest amongst other wildcats. Tigers weigh up to 3 kilograms. That's like weighing a group of 6 average humans. It is said that one swipe from tiger's front hand is enough to kill a person or an animal or at least break one's bones. It is not necessarily true that all tigers are nocturnal, but yes, they do prefer engaging in most of their hunting activities at night. The reason behind this is that tigers prefer avoiding human conflict during daylight and also patrol around their territory at night. The saddest part is that tiger cubs are born blind and only a few survive. Literally, the newborn cubs can't see anything, they only follow the scent of their mother. Most of the cubs die of hunger or cold. Some even get eaten by male tigers to make the tigress available for mating. Unlike the domestic cats, its larger version enjoys spending time in the water and they love to swim for hours. Since cubs, female tigers encourage or help learn the art of hunting. They even have the ability to kill in the water. The life expectancy of tigers is between 20 to 25 years, whether they are kept in captivity or in the wild. However, most die before the age of 20. Tigers can also mate with other big cats. For example, if a male tiger mates with female lion, the hybrid born animal is known as tigon. They are the largest cat species and can grow bigger than liger. You can find tigons in at least 9 countries that include USA, China, Iran, Russia, India, UAE, and Argentina. Crossbreeding of tigers are banned in Taiwan. Tigers have very strong legs, makes them sprint more or less than 60 kilometers per hour, but it is only possible for short distances. Tigers are one of the most humble species unlike lions. Often it is seen in the wildlife that male tigers allow the female and cubs to eat first. Tigers rarely roar and are humble towards their group. Tigers' roar can be heard as far as 3 kilometers. One of the most common knowledge to any wildlife lovers, wild animals enjoy a surprise kill, but not as much as tigers. Tigers hide behind thick bushes and attack their victim from behind. Tigers have a varied diet and can feast on anything that comes its way, be it a wild bear, deer, bird, rhino, crocodile, buffalo. They even eat fish. Tigers tend to attack humans only when they feel, but on a serious note, we can't deny that fact. There have been reports on tiger killing people in rural places, so it is best to stay away from their territory. Today there are 5 subspecies of tiger. There are Bengal tiger, South China tiger, Indo-Chinese tiger, Sumatran tiger and Siberian tiger. Less than 100 years ago, tigers could be found throughout Asia and today their range has been reduced to around 7% of its former size.